Welcome to our channel CNC Programming and more. And last lecture we have completed almost our sketcher part. We have already done all these profiles, these operation commands and this constraint. So today we will start our 3D. Before starting our 3D, I request you please subscribe our channel. For this we have this. I have drawn a rectangle, and now in 3D our first command is extrude. Just click over the extrude and now select the curve which you want to extrude, or you want to give the height to curve. We have certain example. In industries we have lot of shapes like this which can be created with the help of extrusion process. These all are extruded object. These all are extruded. You have to create this section and then give the height and it will come like this. These all are extrusion process, and for this we have the plane. With the help of plane we can extrude our object. Just create a sketch and then give it to height. Again extrude. You can extrude any object normal to the profile or in a specific direction. You can cut any object. You can create an intersection object, and this is one of the example for extrusion process. We have 4 views here and one isometric is there, and with the help of extrude command we can create this. So let's start first our extrude command. With the help of this handle we can extrude in one direction, and what you need distance, just type your distance what you need. Suppose I need 15 millimeter at end direction, and in start direction suppose I choose this 10, so this will come in the positive direction. So if you want to extrude in second direction, you simply type in a reverse value. So means this is a positive value and opposite is a negative value, and I have typed minus 10 means 10 below the sketch. So total height we have is 50 plus 10 60. This time we have 60 height, and in this boolean operation we have no object previously, so we cannot use this. And in draft we have this draft. We can use this draft from start limit. From start limit is our sketch where we have created this sketch on this plane. This is my start limit. If you want to specify the draft with this curve and type the angle, and the draft will come with respect to starting plane, you can see. Or you can simply drag this handle inward or outward, so you can dynamically see the appearance or the preview. And click from section. Section is this and the plane is also this. Both are the same. Multiple, you can define multiple time. Means if you want to define the angle of draft different in each direction or each plane of our section. I have typed first 10, 20, 10, 13 and 11. This time I specified all face in different with different draft angle. A single value will come, or for multiple, we have multiple option for angle draft. Let's okay this will come something like this. So just delete this, and again we will choose this extrude command and click the extrude. And in this option we have this face or plane normal, so our sketch will automatically come normal to the profile, normal to the plane. So if you want to extrude in a specific direction, we have to create a direction, or for defining a direction I am going to create a line on a certain angle. This time just extrude this, and for our vector I choose this is my direction. So this time extrude will go in a specific direction. You can see it is going with respect to this line. So very easy. And again we have some options like this offset. I choose this offset single side, so it will automatically offset 5 millimeter. Offset outward, this is outward, or if you type it as a -5 it will come inside, or just change this to normal. So you can see the real preview. Okay, just type 5, it will offset outside the sketch, or two-sided. So start inside it is 0 and outside it is 5. So thin feature will create with the help of this offset. Symmetric, in symmetric option 2.5 millimeter outside the sketch and 2.5 millimeter inside the sketch. The both side it will go, it will offset symmetrically. And again we have this sheet option. Just select this none, and sheet option we have this surface. If you want to extrude our sketch in a surface, you have to select this sheet option. Sheet will come with the 0 thickness, and this time I select this as a solid and click OK. For remain option I have to create some body, so just wait. This time I have created this sketch. Now select extrude command, and I'm going to extrude this profile in a symmetrical direction. So just select symmetric value and just see 50. I have typed this 50, so it will come 50. Okay, and now just click OK and hide this. This time I am going to draw a sketch in this outer face and flip. This flip will help you to orient the view in Sketcher. Now in Sketcher this will look like this. So I have orient the view. Just choose this one, click. Now finish this. I have a rectangle. Now I am going to extrude this and vector like this and reverse the direction. Now at the end value I choose this till next. So till next, what will come? Just see. It will cut. It automatically choose this extrude subtract. If you choose this unite, it will unite with this first rib only. And in subtract, the same will come. It will cut the first step, first rib, and until selected, I select this sketch. It will cut. It is not possible in this time to cut these two body, or I choose this unite. Maybe possible. If it is possible, no, it is not possible. I choose until selected, I choose this face. No, it is not giving the result. And this option, just change this to until extended. It will extend or cut until the selected body, selected face. You can see the face you have selected, it will cut up to that boundary. If I change this or replace this to this, so result will come something this way. So next option we have through all. It is the same. Just select this. Now my result is this, and now I'm going to change it to through all. It will automatically cut all the ribs and all the object whatever we have in this view. So I think all the option has covered and this extrude command, and next time we will use this option, subtract, unite and intersect.